I'm Bruce Gilden, and I'm basically what would be considered a street photographer. Though, nowadays everybody thinks they're a street photographer, and I have a little information for you. You're not. My first camera was a Miranda. The guy in the store said it was all right, and it wasn't that expensive. I learned my photography by looking at magazines, looking at books. I try to figure out what lens somebody used, where they stood. If I liked the picture, if I didn't like the picture, I'd turn the page. I was always interested in people. I went to see so many European movies by auteur. It was about David Hemmings, David Bailey, and he comes across a murder, and it was very trendy. So I said, I'll take a photo course. And I had no technical acumen. And my first picture was of a squirrel on a tree. So when I do my retrospective book, I'm going to put that squirrel on the tree on the cover. I got in the darkroom and I made a print. I saw the print, I said, wow. And since then I've been hooked. I like technique, but it can't override the creativity. That's more important to me. I read the quote by Robert Capa, if it's not good enough, you're not close enough. Even though I knew nothing about photography, that struck me. And it's been my mantra ever since. I believe that you can't be doing the same pictures you did 40 years ago. Things have to be fresh. But when I say I've changed, also don't forget my type of photography, the way I do it, is very physical. I can't bend like I used to. I'm not as fast as I used to, but I can still do it. I have to take good pictures. Once I can't, I will quit. I still can. When a picture is too perfect, it looks set up. It loses its allure. Some of the iconic ones are my favorite, like the Japanese, the guy lighting the cigarette horizontal. A couple in Haiti. But there are ones I like that not too many people know. Two dogs in Calcutta. They're called underdogs. A mother and son in France, in Paris. Another is a lady in Moscow with her son. But the iconic ones generally are my favorite. The Japanese racketeers. I was in a coffee shop in Ginza. I took 6 or 7 frames to make sure I had it because I was shooting film at that time. But I felt it was going to be good. I didn't know it would be that good, but you know, we always hope. And then there are things you photograph you think are good that aren't that good. I don't photograph as much as I used to, and I find that I'm upset about that. And it's not because of me, it's because I need money to travel. I have all these things I want to do, but I don't have the funds to do it. I funded a lot of my projects the last 5 years. I'll be broke in a year. The biggest thing is overcoming fear. I'm always proud of myself for overcoming my fears. Even if I don't have a good day, I have fun. I'm in a different place. I'm having a good time. For me, like I wind up in Bogota, it gives me a reason to go these places. I would be interested anyway, but at least I'm doing something here. I enjoy it. I get a smile on my face. To this day, I smile.